Welcome kids to the amazing world of alphabets. From today, we shall explore the world of alphabets. So, let's get started with our first alphabet. Our first alphabet is L. Today we shall learn about the things which start with alphabet L. So, let's start. L for lotus. Lotus is our national flower. L for lotus. L for lion. Lion is a wild animal. L for lion. L for lollipop. Lollipop is a candy. L for lollipop. L for lemon. Lemon is sour in taste. L for lemon. L for leaf. Leaf is green in color. L for leaf. L for lamp. Lamp gives us light at night. L for lamp. L for ladybug. Ladybug is an insect. L for ladybug. L for laptop. Laptop is an electronic device. L for laptop. L for leopard. Leopard runs very fast. L for leopard. L for ladder. Ladder helps us to climb up. L for ladder. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well at home. Let's learn a new letter today. But before that, we will revise with our standing line and sleeping line. I hope you all are practicing it at home, right? Now with this standing line and sleeping line, let's learn a new letter today. Tell me, which letter is this? This is L. Letter L. The sound of L is low. L says low. Let's look at some pictures. What is this? L for lion. L for lamp. L for lock. L for lotus. Revise these words at home. L for lion. L for lion. L for lamp. L for lock. L for lotus. This is margin. Margin. In margin we don't write anything. We only write date. This also teacher will write for you. You will not write anything in margin. Let's revise the lines. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, and last bottom red line. Again revise. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, and bottom red line. We have to write letters in these 4 lines. All capital letters starts from top red line till second blue line. Top red line, stop, and then sleeping line, L. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, stop, sleeping line, L. Top red line, first line, second line, stop, sleeping line, L. Top red line, sleeping line, L. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, sleeping line, L. L. We will not touch this bottom line. This is danger line. Again we will go to top red line. Standing line till second blue line. Sleeping line, L. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, sleeping line, L. Top red line, first blue line, second blue line, and sleeping line, L. This is the way you have to write letter L. All of you practice this in red and blue line notebook. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn cursive capital L and small l. Chalo, we will start writing how to do. Again we are writing capital letter, so we will start from first blue line like this. Cursive capital L. Now we will write cursive small l. We will use second blue line to write.
Hello kids, today you have learned about letter L. So let's do a fun activity related to letter L. For that we will need a one plain white paper, two strip of black paper like this, red circle, one red circle. First place one strip like standing line and other strip on it like sleeping line. Now our letter L is ready. Now take a red circle, fold it in half and cut it in middle like this. Kids, take help of your parents for cutting the paper. Now these two half circle shape stick on letter L like this. Second half circle stick on it like this. Now, little black circle stick on red circle like this. Now stick eyes. And draw two antenna like this. Our lady bug is ready. Now try to do this activity. Thank you.
Hello and welcome kids to the amazing world of alphabet. We are back with a new alphabet. Our today's alphabet is M. We shall be learning about alphabet M. Introduction to things starting with alphabet M. So let's start. M for mango. M for mango. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is yummy, isn't it? Mango is yummy. M for mango. M for mango. Oh, who's this? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's a monkey. It's a monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey loves bananas. Do you know that? Monkey loves bananas. M for monkey. M for monkey. Ooh, we all say this at night in the beautiful sky. What is it? It is a moon. M for moon. M for moon. We can see moon at night. We can see moon at night. M for moon. M for moon. M for mask. M for mask. Mask protects us from germs. Mask protects us from germs. We should always wear a mask when we go out. It is good for our health. It helps us to keep away from germs. M for mask. M for mask. This is something yummy. Do everyone like this? I like. Yes, it's milk. M for milk. M for milk. Milk is healthy. Milk is healthy. We all should drink milk daily. I drink milk daily. Do you drink? M for milk. M for milk. M for mirror. M for mirror. We can see ourselves in the mirror. While getting ready, we see mirror and comb our hairs. We apply lipstick by seeing in the mirror. Yes or no? M for mirror. M for mirror. M for mittens. M for mittens. Mittens keep our hands warm. Mitten keeps our hands warm. During winters, if we wear mittens, they keep our hands warm. M for mittens. M for mittens. M for mailbox. M for mailbox. We get our mail in the mailbox. We get our mail in the mailbox. M for mailbox. M for mailbox. M for map. M for map. Map gives us directions. Map gives us directions. If we are traveling somewhere by road or by train or by any means of transport, map helps us to follow the directions, in which directions we are supposed to travel. M for map. M for map. This is something interesting. Can anyone tell me what is it? It is a muffin. It is a yummy sweet muffin. M for muffin. M for muffin. Muffins are delicious. Yummy, aren't they? Muffins are delicious. M for muffin. M for muffin. I hope you enjoyed the session learning different words which start with alphabet M. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Good morning. Doing well. Today we will learn new alphabet M in this session. M. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. M for mother, mama. We call mama M. M for mother. M for man. M for man. M for moon. M for moon. You see moon in the sky at night? Yes. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mouse. M for mango. M for mango. Mango is king of fruits. M for mango. Now I'll show you some objects related M. M for Maggie. M for Maggie. M for matchbox. M for matchbox. Mama uses matchbox. M for matchbox. For medal. M for medal. M for mug. M for mug. You drink milk in the mug. For marker pen. M for marker pen. Teacher uses marker pen to write on board. M for marker pen. M for mat. M for mat. Mat you use to sit on floor. M for mirror. M for mirror. You see your face in mirror. M for money. M for money. For mouse. This is also mouse. This you use with computers. M for mouse. All of you revise alphabets M at your home. Wash your hands regularly. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye. See you soon. Hello everybody. Good morning. Doing well. Now in this session we are going to learn to write capital M. M. M for man. M for man. M for mother. M for mother. Now I'll show you some more pictures related M. M. M for mirror. M for mirror. M for mobile. M for mobile. M for mat. M for mat. M for mountain. M for mountain. M for mouse. M for mouse. M for moon. M for moon. M for milk. M for milk. M for mango. M for mango. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for mummy. M for mummy. M for mug. M for mug. And this is magnet. M for magnet. M for magnet. Now I'll show you how to write M. You all know your red and blue line notebook. 4 lines. We'll write in first 3 lines. We will not touch down bottom red line. We'll not write in the margin. First we'll go on the top red line. Draw a standing line till second blue line. Again go on top line. Slanting line. Again we will go slanting line up to the top red line and standing line M. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line M. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line M. M for moon. Standing, slanting, slanting, standing M. Top red line to blue line, standing line. Then slanting line. Again slanting line. Again standing line. Standing line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Standing line M. We will not write on danger line. Bottom line we will not touch. Again top red line. Standing line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Standing line. Standing line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Standing line. Standing line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Standing line. This is capital M. All of you practice writing M in your notebook. See you soon. Till then, bye.
Hello kids, in our last video we have learned cursive L. Today we are going to learn cursive M. Cursive capital M and small m. We'll start from here. We will go up, come down, again we'll go up and bend it like this. Cursive capital M. From second blue line we'll start, we'll go up to red line, again come down, again go up to red line, again we'll come down, and from blue line we will turn little bit upwards. This is cursive capital M. Now we'll learn how to write small m. From this first blue line we will start. This is small m. Thank you.
Welcome everyone to the world of alphabets. Today we shall explore one more new alphabet. So let's start. Our today's alphabet is alphabet N. Alphabet N. Today we shall be learning about words which start with alphabet N. Introduction to things starting with alphabet N. So let's start. N for net. N for net. Net is used to catch things. Net is used to catch things. N for net. N for net. N for nest. N for nest. Nest is bird's home. Nest is bird's home. N for nest. N for nest. N for nine. N for nine. Nine is a number. Nine is a number. N for nine. N for nine. What's this? You smell with this. Do you remember? Yes. N for nose. N for nose. Nose is a sense organ. Nose is a sense organ. We smell with our nose. N for nose. N for nose. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. Newspaper gives us news. It tells us about what is happening around the world. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. N for night. N for night. We sleep at night. Do we? Yes, we all sleep at night. N for night. N for night. N for nail. N for nail. Nail is used in furniture. Nail is used in furniture. Nail, with the help of nail, we fix the furnitures. N for nail. N for nail. Oh wow! That's lovely, isn't it? Shining bright. What's that? That's a necklace. N for necklace. N for necklace. Necklace is a jewelry. It is a type of jewelry. N for necklace. N for necklace. That's something yummy and everyone likes it. Yes or no? N for noodles. N for yummy noodles. We eat noodles with fork. We eat noodles with fork. Here you can see those are chopsticks. We can also eat noodles with the help of chopsticks. N for noodles. N for noodles. I hope you enjoyed the session learning words which start with alphabet N. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Everybody, good morning. Doing well? Welcome in our new session. In this session, we are going to learn about letter N. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. N for nose. N for nose. We have one nose. We breathe with our nose. N for neck. N for neck. N for nails. N for nails. Now let's see some pictures related N. N. N for net. N for net. Net we use for fishing. N for number 9. N for number 9. N for nest. N for nest. We stay in our home. Birds stay in nest. They build their nest on the tree. N for nest. N for nurse. N for nurse. Nurse take care of patients and give medicines. N for nurse. N for night. N for night. At night what do you see? You see moon and stars at night. N for night. Now let's see some objects related alphabet N. N for nails. N for nails. Nails, carpenter use these nails. N for necklace. Necklace, girls use necklace. N for necklace. N for needle. N for needle. Mummy use needle to stitch clothes. N for needle. N for nut. N for nut. N for notebook. N for notebook. We used to study notebook. N for notebook. Nail paint. N for nail paint. Girls use nail paint. Apply nail paint on their nails. N for nail paint. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. We read newspaper daily. N for newspaper. N for napkin. N for napkin. We use napkin to wipe our face. N for napkin. All of you find more things related N and revise it at home. See you soon. Take care. Bye. Hello everybody. Good morning. Doing well. Now today we will learn how to write alphabet N. N. Capital N. Small n. We will write capital N. N for nest. N for nest. Nest is bird's home. N for nest. N for 9. N for 9. Number 9. Now I'll show you some more pictures related alphabet N. N for nuts. N for nuts. N for neck. N for neck. N for necklace. N for necklace. N for nurse. N for nurse. N for nose. N for nose. N for nail. N for nail. N for net. N for net. Now I'll show you how to write N. You all are known with your red and blue line notebook very nicely now. You have to write capital in only first 3 lines. Fourth line is danger line. We will not write in margin. So we'll start writing from top red line. First standing line. Then again we'll go to top line and draw slanting line. Then we'll go up standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line, and again we will go up standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line. We'll not pick up the pencil, we'll go directly like this, up. N. Standing line, slanting line, and standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. We will not write on fourth line, danger line. Again we'll go on the first red line, standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. N. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. All of you practice N at your home. Take care. See you soon.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn cursive, capital N and small n. So first we will write capital N. So from blue line we will start, second blue line, cursive capital N. Is it easy? Yes, we have to do lots of practice. Then only we can write perfect cursive letters. And cursive letters help to improve our handwriting. So we have to do more and more practice of cursive. Okay? Now we will learn small n. Again for small n we will use this blue lines, will not go on red line. N. Small n. Small n. Thank you.
Hello kids and welcome back. Today we shall be doing an activity based on alphabet N. For this we will require 3 strips for same size, 1 black marker, scissors, Fevicol and some colorful circles. Okay, now as I have told you previously, if you are not having colorful papers, you can cut strips of white paper and color them of your own favorite colors, and you can do same with the circles also. So let's start. So now let's start. How will we make N? We'll make N with 1 standing line, 1 slanting line, and again we'll use 1 standing line. So let's stick the strips accordingly. First we'll take the strip and apply Fevicol like this, and we'll stick like this, and we'll make a standing line. Then we'll take another strip and apply Fevicol on it, and then we will insert this strip below this standing line strip like this. Now this is a slanting line. Then we will take the last strip, apply Fevicol on it, and we'll make another standing line, and our N is ready. Can you see? Our N is ready. Now we have learned different words which start with alphabet N. So with the help of this colorful circles, we will make a necklace. We'll make a necklace. Let's take different colors. Let's start with blue. We'll stick here one blue circle. Then we can take a yellow circle. Stick the circles on different positions like this. Yes. So you can see I have stick the circles. Now we will join this circle or connect these circles, or we can say beads of necklace, with the help of a black sketch pen like this. And like this our necklace is ready. So we'll write here N for necklace. See how beautiful it is looking. I hope you all will try this activity at home and share your pics with us on the group. Until next time, take care. Thank you. Bye. Hello everyone and welcome to the world of alphabets. Let's learn a new alphabet today. Our today's alphabet is alphabet O. Alphabet O. Introduction to things starting with alphabet O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange is a fruit. Orange is a fruit. And orange is also a color. Orange is also a color. O for orange. O for orange. O for octopus. O for octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octopus has 8 legs. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for onion. O for onion. Onion is a vegetable. Onion is a vegetable. O for onion. O for onion. O for oven. O for oven. Oven is used to bake cakes. Oven is used to bake cakes. We can even bake cookies in it. O for oven. O for oven. O for olives. O for olives. We get olive oil from olives. We get olive oil from olives. Olives come in 2 colors, black and green. O for olives. O for olives. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's session learning new words starting from the alphabet O. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello everybody, good morning. Today we are here to learn new alphabet. Today's alphabet is O. O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange is fruit. O for owl. O for owl. Owl is a bird. O for olives. O for olives. O for okra. O for okra. Okra is vegetable. O for octopus. O for octopus. Octopus is water animal. It has 8 arms. Octopus has 8 arms. O for otter. O for otter. Otter is wild animal. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. Ostrich is a bird, but ostrich can't fly. They run very fast. Ostrich is fast running bird. O for ostrich. I'll show you some objects. O for onion. O for onion. Mama use onion in making vegetables. O for onion. O for oil. O for oil. You all apply oil on your hair. O for oil. All of you revise everything at your home. See you soon. Till then, bye. Hello everybody. Good morning. Today we are going to learn to write O. Before that, revise O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange is a fruit. O for octopus. O for octopus. Octopus is water animal. Octopus has 8 arms. O for octopus. I'll show you few more pictures related O. O for oil. O for oil. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for ox. Now we'll write O. All of you know your red and blue line book. You will not write in margin. You'll start from red line. O. Red line to blue line. O. O for octopus. O for orange. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for onion. O. All of you practice writing O. See you soon. Bye.
Kids, welcome back. Today we will do O craft activity. Okay, now we'll take white paper and draw O. Then we want pencil, brown color, then black paper, white paper and orange paper. Okay, now we'll paint this O with brown paper, brown color. Now take orange paper and draw triangle. Then cut it. Then take orange paper and draw leg of owl. Then take black paper and draw circle for eyes in this way. And take white paper and draw circle and cut in this way. Now stick this triangle. Stick this white circle. Now again take the Fevicol and stick black circle. This is eyes. This is leg. See, our O craft activity is over. You also try this at home, this activity, and send in our WhatsApp group. Okay, bye.